What's going on? Back again in the video, and today I'm going to be talking about how much I made as a YouTuber, and how can you start making money right now in 2023. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Alright y'all, if you guys don't know, I started this YouTube channel around 2020, and I've been making a lot of content for y'all. So I wanted to share with y'all my first YouTube check. You know what I'm saying? I'm very excited telling this because for the longest I always wanted to actually get paid for my work, or just being paid to be on a platform, right? So definitely a good experience. So 2020 I started this YouTube channel. I kind of didn't know what I really wanted to do with this channel. If you guys can look at my older videos, you will see that like I did my first video back in 2020, I had like one subscriber. One subscriber, and I got a video, I did a small YouTuber support, it's still up there. And I kind of was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with this, have fun with it, and see where I go with it. So moving forward, I kept posting videos and stuff like that. I was going live a lot. I definitely went live, was very consistent with it, and stuff like that. So when I originally made this channel, was Roy TV. It's Roy Shop now. The reason why it's Roy Shop basically because what I'm saying, I wanted to venture towards clothing brands and more entrepreneur stuff, and just a lot of stuff like that. So a lot of things have shifted, but when I noticed with YouTube, you got to be real consistent, and you got to post a lot of videos, and you got to stay active. So if you guys are starting a YouTube channel, the first thing you're gonna need that 1,000 subscribers, and that's what's gonna take. That's probably the hardest thing to do on YouTube, is to actually get the 1,000 subscribers. It's definitely not an easy task to do, but it's definitely possible if you stay motivated, stay consistent. So YouTube, you're gonna need the first 1,000 subscribers, and you're gonna need 4,000 hours of watch time. So 4,000 hours of watch time is a lot of watch time. You gotta think there's 24 hours in a day, so you know what I mean. That's gonna be a lot of people watching you, a lot for actually to get monetized. So I suggest for y'all to just keep pushing, put your head down, put the content out, and just keep pushing with it. Cause that's what I did with this channel. I kind of was just like, wasn't thinking about the money, and still not thinking about the money. I'm just really just doing it because I love doing it, and it just makes me feel good to see something that I put out, and what I mean, it's in time you see the growth. You know what I mean. So that's the reason why I started the YouTube channel. I kind of was just doing it out of because I it's like a passion now, like doing it. You know what I mean. So those are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So when I got that, I was like, you gotta send out YouTube. It sends out, they're gonna send you gotta send your address and stuff like that, and then they're gonna send you like a piece of paper to verify the pin and stuff like that. And then once you verify that you're good to go, and you know what I'm saying, you can start making money. Now the key thing is you have to make $100 on YouTube to actually get paid. For like your content stuff. So, and YouTube pays monthly, so you know what I mean. So you got to think about, you got to be putting in a lot of content, and it's got to generate a lot of views for you to actually get paid. So you know what I mean, sending out the content, but like putting out the content and let the views generate. It's gonna sit in your YouTube analytics. It's just look something like, you can see it in your phone if you download YouTube. You can check the analytics, and in the phone it will say like, you know what I mean, congratulations. First, when you monetize, you can do everything in your phone, and you can basically look in like real time, like in your phone, stuff like that. So right now I'm at 3,354 as recording this video. So then once you do that, you can hit monetize. You can monetize everything on your phone like that, and as you can see, it'll start showing like the money and the revenue and stuff like that. If y'all can see, from ever since I've been monetized, I mean, the money's coming in every month, boom. You know what I'm saying? So I'm getting small amounts, like $7-10 here and there, because I think for me, my channel is not as big, so that's why this is a dope video, because I'm actually a small channel, and there's not a lot of YouTubers that's really got small channels talk about how much they make. So I'm giving y'all insight on, just on a small level, for now. But to how to actually get paid on YouTube. So it's February it was like $8, March was 10, April was a good month, it was 20, May was 30, June was 40, and it just keeps going up, the pay going up. So it's a decent little money, a little side hustle if you guys like side hustle stuff like that. If on this channel I talk about stuff like that. That's why I run a fashion brand. It's another way to make money, so it's another passive income. And then YouTube is definitely good, to make money. So that's basically the rundown of how to start making money on YouTube. So if you guys want to know how much I made all together, I'll pull it up right now. So I made all together, since I've been monetized, I made $250, which is not that bad, what I'm saying, for just starting off. So I just was monetized in January, so we're in June, we're what, July now, so 6 months. So it's not that bad right now for can it pay your rent? Nah, can't pay your rent, stuff like that. But you gotta look at it like you playing in the long game, and possibly in the long term run, you can actually make some good money if you stay consistent, stuff like that, what I mean. But it's definitely a good way to start, just put it in different ways. There's other ways to make money too, not just ads. You could do affiliate marketing and stuff like that. So definitely another way to utilize, your growth on YouTube. But for me, I'm just a small YouTube channel, so I'm just giving you all the insights of how much that this channel makes. So if you guys like this type of content, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and shout out if you guys are a YouTuber yourself, or if you guys are trying to hit that goal of that first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I know how it is, trust and believe. I definitely was there. So keep pushing, never give up, and then just keep grinding, y'all. So if you guys got YouTube channels, drop it in the link in the below, drop a comment, and until then, make sure y'all tap in with me, y'all. So peace. See y'all later. Catch me in my next one, y'all. Peace.